Good morning, another day, another dollar, another build in the garage with Brenton, also known as Finatic.
Good to see you, boss.
On the YouTubes. He brought us by his 2022 Toyota Tundra TSS, whatever that stands for.
I couldn't tell you, I don't know.
This is the first time that we've ever worked on one of these brand new Tundras. They're super sick. I like them. I hate the Tundra all the way around. Stop sweeping around me, Lawson.
I'm sorry.
I 100% would drive this vehicle.
Really?
I would, yes. I do like.
Okay, I thought that was going the wrong way.
No, I do like the front end of this vehicle.
I think the biggest thing while like Tundra is trying to get on the map and like work its way up into the truck scene is like they start off really low, chintzy plastic interior, like really like skimped out on a lot of things to where like now you see these commercials and everyone wants one. They made the changes with the 3.5 twin turbo, which obviously America loves because gas mileage and all that sort of jazz. With the 6-inch ProComp, the rear's different now. It's coil sprung.
It is.
Like the Rams. So I think that's gonna be different. If the audience has ever seen, I don't know if you've ever seen, but anytime Banker works on Rams with those coil rears.
What a miserable day. Just as ugly as they are stupid.
He swears a lot. He doesn't have a good time.
My hatred for Dodges just grows and grows.
That's when Banker works on any vehicle.
Yeah, true.
Hey, speaking of devil, hi Banker.
Yay! I'm excited. You don't see a lot of these on the road right now, especially not lifted. So it'll be cool. I can't even like imagine what it really is going to look like with a 6-inch. So. And
this thing should be sick when we're all said and done.
Well, thank you, boys. Let's do it.
Well, thank you. You the one who drove from Texas, not us.
Yeah.
So it's like TRD stage 1.
Protein. They took some ideas from the Hilux and incorporated it into this truck.
I hope so.
Alright guys, so we got this 6-inch ProComp installed in the new 23 Tundra here. Now these are going to be the 22, 23 generation, the new generation of the Toyota Tundras. We'll just run through the components real quick. Obviously, right up front we got this brand new big old lift knuckle. This has got the upper control arm upgrade from ProComp. Up front you'll see we got a sway bar drop here and your regular, drop cross members. Where Toyota differs a little bit is there is no diff drop brackets. The differential is actually mounted to the cross members. So that's all bolted in to the drop cross members, so there's no extra stuff going on up top. But as you can see, this thing's at full droop and it has amazing angles. ProComp designs these kits for off-road use. So let's go to the back because the back is going to be something completely different that maybe some of you Dodge guys would be familiar with. So back here, this is all new for Toyota. These trucks used to be leaf sprung, now they have gone to a coil with outboard shocks.
It's not as easy as a Chevy.
This is going to have a coil spring spacer up above here that you can't really see right now. No drop rockets on the 4-link arms. Everything actually does reach. And then this utilizes the factory rear shocks. So Toyotas with their notorious TRD package, their SR5, their T55, all of these fancy suspension packages, they put a lot of money, a lot of research into their factory shocks. So this kit utilizes that shock. It does have availability for that as well. You'll see there's an open bracket down here for lift shocks, but everything else in the back is just extensions, bump stop extensions, spring extensions, shock extensions, stuff like that. Sway bar link extensions. Very good riding kit. We had this thing aligned. I actually took it for a little rip around on the stock wheels. It actually rides quite nice for a Toyota, but that's that. And if you got one of these brand new bad boys, there's only one in the gallery. This will be number 2. So if you got one, go out, get yourself one of these kits, add that thing to the gallery so we can see what you guys are doing with these.
go.
It doesn't know.
That's insane. Wow, you didn't expect that, did you?
No. Hey, have you ever watched that? Do they have car washes in Texas?
It was the drive over here. It was, that's what it was.
There's like no bugs north of southern Missouri right now. Everything's frozen. So,
I think we're ready.
See it. Oh, yes! Yes! I'm so excited to leave Wisconsin and see the truck. I'm excited to do both things.
you ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready. Holy shit! Bro, that looks so dope! No way! What?
This truck needed 37 bad.
Bro, it looks massive. You're right, the steps have to stay. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks so perfect. Oh bro, this is gonna be awesome. Wow, I'm not a loser anymore. Yeah. This is so cool. The thing is, like, everyone at home can do this. Like, I went in and picked my own lift and tires. Like, you can build your vision. Oh my gosh. Dude, it looks so good. It looks fantastic. This is so cool. It looks so good. Are we gonna get like roller shots?
Oh, you better believe it.
Yes! Yes! Oh, it's like official now.